In this video, I'll show you how to close all tabs on your iPhone. First, open the Safari app. If you have a bunch of tabs open, you can quickly close them all by tapping and holding the two squares in the bottom right corner. After holding it, you'll see the option to close all tabs. Tap on that and hit Close All Tabs. Keep in mind, if you tap on the two squares again, you'll also notice a private section. You'll want to make sure you close all tabs there as well. Tap on Private, hit Done, and then tap and hold the two squares again to close all tabs there too. Now, there's a cool feature that will automatically close your tabs after a certain amount of time. Let's open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Apps. Then scroll down to find Safari. Tap on it and you'll see several settings. What you're looking for is Close Tabs. Tap on that and you can choose to have tabs close after 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month. This way, Safari will automatically close old tabs after that time period, keeping things neat and organized. Keep in mind, this process is for Safari. If you use a different browser like Google Chrome or Firefox, the process may differ, but it works similarly. I hope this helps. If it did, please hit the subscribe button below. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching.